Tell him. I told Monique not to wear that furry thong, but she would anyway. Yeah, hold on, Obama. Look here, Esther. I need you to shut this store down right, all right? I need everything in order when I get back, and don't pull what you pulled last week.
Can you please go home?
What?
Go home, pimp.
You heard what I said.
Drop it low, girl. 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 Drop it low, girl.
This for boss bitch. For money making misses, all my ladies throw your hands in the air. I got Patron in my cup, and I don't give a fuck, the better chick in the club right here. Here I go. You wanna see me drop it, wanna pop it, sweep that ass on the floor. You wanna see me shake it, yeah, you like it when I drop it real low.